morning, guys. We're going for a walk daw. I don't know where.
Forest.
In the forest?
We're going hiking.
So, ang dami namin baon. Oh, may mga salad, oranges, candies, chocolate, Cheeria.
Salad.
You want some?
Salad.
Okay, yun namin yan. Chicken ba? Oh, I didn't get some. But na.
Look, there's some cucumber in the salad. That's a salad plate.
I need to look, wait.
I'm the salad baby.
May bang kami salad.
Mommy, I'm the salad baby. I love salad.
I know you do, ano. Ano pa ba? Ganda ng weather, guys. May araw. Mapula, maasul-asul ang langit. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. We go with the flow. Mamaya, papakita ko kung saan kami pupunta. Maglalakad-lakad daw. We almost reached our destination. 0.3 ano na lang. Maya ka.
3 miles.
Ayan.
That's further than that.
Where are we, Papa?
Where are we going?
Rushmere County Park.
Ayun. Narinig nyo yun. Rasmar
I don't
County
remember
Park.
being this. Heaven, what?
Ang ganda.
Oh my god, we can
Ganda ng weather. O, tingnan nyo, guys.
okay.
Plus, tingnan nyo naman yung dinadaanan namin. Puro puno. Pero yung puno, guys, wala pang mga dahon. Imagine pag bumalik na yung mga dahon. So, masasakit niya yung mga ano, daanan. So, there we go. Ganda ng
Take the next
weather.
left, then you will arrive at your destination.
There we go. We're gonna go and walking. Walking here. Punta muna kami dito sa Heron View. Heron's View Visitor Center. This is what we're gonna look at here, guys. This is the map.
Ew, what's a vampire?
Ayun na, pumunta muna kami sa viewing deck daw.
Why there was holding stick?
Wala ganun.
Daddy, why that tree make us holding stick?
Yeah, there it is. Look at this, guys. The wooden thing. You see it?
Head around until you can see something.
Do you see the babies?
They're right in the front of the field.
Do you see them in top right? I can see them from here side.
See these two trees in front of you? On this right hand side, you can just see some bits of grey.
Ah, yan pala ang nakita mo. Is that the one you see there?
Right side, you can see next to next.
Wow.
Let's have the next one.
They're not real eggs.
No, not yet. We got this way. Papa, I think you start here.
Look, I really found the other one.
Oh, you found the egg, baby.
I'm doing so much stuff.
Okay. So how many eggs you found now, baby?
Oh,
There's a berry there, ate. Go on.
Open out. Go knock on it then.
Nak, siya ka mo, nak. There's a berry they're leaving. They live there.
I found four.
Bench.
See the egg? So how many egg you found now? Baby, come here. Hi, baby.
Spider.
Okay, where's Ate? Oh, she's there.
No, mommy, I can't get down.
Ate, I said that to you. You have to wear your rubber shoes. Careful there, Ate, ha?
Mommy, I got down. Ooh, there's a piece of halfway there.
Is it? You can see, yes, see, it's so strong.
I'm strong, but I've been up here. Hey guys!
Nice.
Hey! That's it! I'm here, up here. Hey, Mom! Hey, Mommy! See that? Daddy, Mommy, I'm gonna go. Ryan, it's not funny.
It's not funny, baby.
Stop! Let's go to my store. There's a big one. I found
Yeah, let's just carry on.
Bobby, I found
How many eggs did you found now? Oh, let's go there first, ate. Keep carry on. Guys, kanina-kanina lang masol yung langit. 12 already.
12.
Are you gonna knock the door? Come on, knock the door. There's a fairy living there, Tia. A fairy house. She found the fairy door. You found the fairy door. Come on, come on, knock. Knock. Let's go.
14! Yeah!
Okay. Okay, that's alright. Let's go na. So you always knock 3 times. Okay? That's it. Hey, sorry si Papang, oh. Saan kami pinagdadadala? Well, good naman yan sa kanya para ma-exercise naman. Kita niyo naman. Sobrang lumaki na yung tiyan niya. Kakakain niya ba? Tapos kasi, siyempre maghapon nakaupo yan sa office. Tapos sa office nila laging maraming cakes. Pag may birthday o kahit walang birthday, may cakes lagi dun sa pantry. Yes, baby. I'm coming. Yeah, but make sure it's clean, okay? Have to be careful walking because it's very steep. Matarik kasi siya. Bababa kami, tingnan niyo. Kami doon. So you have to wait for us. You two way away too far. That's way too big for your height, baby. You can't have that. It's way too big for you, baby. No. It's fine. It's way too big. I find you another one.
Get it.
Talaga namang batang. Wala. Daladala ka pa ng stick. Mas mahaba pa sa yung stick, anak. Ayan. Buti na lang suot ko yung luma kong rubber shoes. Ayan. Ang dami naglalakad, guys. Malamig dito sa ilalim ng woods. Kasi wala ng araw. Maraming ganda, guys, no? Oh. So dito sa Country Rasmar Park is only you have to pay for parking. Okay, that one is enough. Yeah, that would be enough for your height. Don't touch underneath ne. That's dirty. Just to the top. Yeah, exactly. There's a gooey thing. Here, I found you another one. Here, come on. Yeah, oh, this one. This one might be okay. Gusto niya kasi may hawakan daw siyang wood. Kaarte naman. Ito, this one anak. This one is too heavy as well. That's why do you need to stick? What? Yeah, because you got, look. What you got on your nose? Ayun. Salamat naman. On and off yung araw. Ayan, dito naman kami sa kabilang side. Nasa baba na kami. Galing kami doon sa taas niyan. Ganda dito, guys. Nakaka-relax. So, ganyan. Pagka, guys, may time talaga na pwede mag-chillax pag ganito, bank holiday, walang work. Ayaw si Papang. Sige, Papang, lakad ka lang. Kailangan mo yan. Exercise. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys, diba? Nakaka-relax, maglakad-lakad, magmuni-muni. O, yun, yung tatlo. Naulog na. Watch out your step, guys. If you miss the lag. Yun. Ewan, guys, sorry Yung baon namin si Papang tagadala. Yung si Sia may hawak-hawak na stick. Kala mo matanda na, pa stick pa. Si ate din may stick.
My perfect.
Yeah, the more you walk the more it get warmer. So, yeah. Mga tao mga nakakoat din. Kasi nga, pabago-bago yung ng araw. Mamaya lalabas yung araw. Mamaya, nakatago yung araw. Ayan. It's nice here. Look at this woodland. Is this a woodland, anak? Yeah. Like, say hi ka ate.
Hi.
Mga pictures. Ate, good away. I'm gonna take a photo of you. No, you don't have photo yet. I have to take your photo every single day. So how quick you go.
Hey.
Yeah, the bee is leaving to your dad.
What? It's very good.
Oh, I just don't want it in my face.
Yeah, the bee stung you.
They want it in my face, they went straight to my shoulder.
Yeah, I think the bee.
Oh, why we can
I
go
think
that way or that way?
I think the view. This way is so nice. They're going up.
No, that
Yeah, but we go further away.
Okay, we go this way then.
There's a pond area here.
There's a pond. Oh, there's... So now don't go there. There's a mud caution.
What is that?
They said caution, don't go there.
What is that?
Oh, you farted, Sia? The woods need that. We call the... what's that called, Papa? Yeah, apart to when it go to the oxygen or it's not oxygen. It's called a yeah, but the plants need the thing. Ala, sorry. Let me take a photo of your neck there.
Look!
Stand there, like wait a minute, baby.
So we tried here. Look,
Okay.
I saw this.
Okay.
Old feet somewhere.
How about you, Sia? Go to ate. Oh,
After that, me and Sia together.
look at
We
me.
do this.
Sia, look at
Do
me.
this. Like he just how much he traveled.
How much you traveled? Okay, go. Together na. Go na.
The stump first. I found this.
Ate, Sia, so you're supposed to have ate's stick. Look at me, guys. Because that one, Sia, is in your right height. Ayan. Saan na kami napunta. Ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung ano, woodland. Ayan. Ate, careful going up there, ha? You want to take a photo? You want me to take a photo of you there? Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm looking.
Looking up.
I think nine.
Okay, look at me.
I saw a big house. I found a big house.
Okay.
Look at it. Home. I found a
Okay, ate, wait a minute. Ate, stand there. More.
I found a house with bedrooms. One bedroom.
Very good.
Two bedrooms. Three bedrooms.
Yeah, careful to dig things there, okay? Because you don't understand. There's might be a fairy living here, you know?
Yeah, you tried to destroy that, but I said no.
So yeah, don't destroy.
You're ruining the habitat.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, exactly. Don't ruin the habitat.
World. I love nature.
Yeah.
Because I was supposed to.
Narinig niyo ba yun si ate? Don't destroy the habitat daw. Diyos ko.
Another home.
Yeah, maybe there's a fairy living there now.
Yeah. Oh look, something for little bugs to drink.
Yeah, in every single place that there's a like living things,
Then that means
there's something living there as well, you know?
But there's no bugs enough. I don't know someone owned it, so they flew away.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
they're invisible because we don't want any humans to see.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. It's nice there. Maybe the crocodile there.
That's so clear.
Yeah. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng weather. Malamig-lamig na mainit-init. Ayan. Enjoy lang. Si Papang. Tingnan niyo si Papang. Yun. Saan mo tadalhin yung mga bata mo dyan, Papa? So, this one daw is no swimming or paddling. And no dogs allowed. Yeah. You can sit down there. Like, you can sit down there, guys. Like, chillax. My adventures, baby, there. There you go. Okay, let's go na. What is that, ate?
Pine trees have been planted in the 1930s.
So they planted the pine tree in what year?
1930.
1930. Okay, take me a photo there. Let me take a photo of you there. Okay. Smile ka. Show your teeth. There you go. Okay, let's go.
I'm the
May,
adventurer.
may lola naglalakad. I'll take your video, anak. Okay. Wow. What are you doing there? What are you doing?
Firing this pond.
I know, guys. It's so pretty there, isn't it?
Crocodile.
Look.
See? Swans.
So you're enjoying the nature?
Yes.
Okay. Keep going then.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
Come on. Keep going. Ang ganda. Oh, diba?
It's heaven.
Yung mga swan, palapit na.
It wants bread.
Ano, after it, yeah, the swan's coming. Ayan na ang mga swan.
That one and I can't.
That's massive, that one is.
No. No.
Ayan, ate, they coming to you guys. Yeah. Ducklings coming as well, but we don't have bread. We got crepes, candies, and oranges. And salad.
Yeah. Daddy, it will hit at you and come. Stay. Do not come to this property.
Don't come to their property, anak. Not close to them. There we go. Oh, look at... Nak, did you know their family? Mom and dad, then brother and sister, or maybe sister and sister. O, take a photo. Dali, guys. Ate, sit down. Sit down this way, ate. This way. Ate, mo bakro sa lilibe here. That way. Yeah, that's it. More. Okay, there you go. You got a photo. Nice photo. With this one. Kiss this one like this. Just look like you're gonna kiss. There, come on. Keep going like this. There you go. Keep going. This one's lip is close na to you. Keep going. No, just that's it. That's it. There you go. There. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's go.
Do this. We both do that. I took thousands of photos. Thousands of photos.
Let me see the photo na.
Well, it's going to be thousands you're going to be looking for. See, I'm moving. Trying to take a photo.
It's okay. Just go.
Step by step.
Yeah, that's alright. You can have that.
Look.
Okay, baby. Take a photo, baby. Look at mama. Smile, yeah.
Take a picture of the fat log too.
Yeah, already done it. Okay, go. Let's go, guys.
I know what to do. If you tell me to do something, then on the phone, I have to take pictures whilst videoing then. 3, 2, 1.
More anak. More anak mo. Just wait lang. So we stop doing that. You wanna go?
I took thousands of photos again.
Oh my God. Siya naman daw. Dali. Ulog ka dyan ah. Come on anak. Hurry up ka. Come on. Okay. Sit down na. Okay, I'll take a photo of you. Okay. Okay, get out na there. You wanna stuck there? Look how big you're getting, anak. You're so tall. Are you gonna go on the top? Just halfway only. Come on, hurry up na. You going on the top? How come? You just turn it because this one is more shiny, so you won't gonna slide from there to, yeah, that one. Okay, come on, keep going. Now you wanna try to slide? You can do. Okay, try to slide. Of course you can, ate. Okay, get down then. Who said to you to go up there anyway in the first place? You wanna try? No, I don't wanna try. You do it, you try. Oh, I'm not asking you to go up there. Who told you to go up there anyway? Okay, come on, get down na there. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go. Of course you can go down. Use your stick. Use your stick. Yummy. Oh, this is my thing.
Yeah. Sorry, share. It smells good?
Mm-hmm.
No, I got some.
The ice cream, baby.
Go.
Wait, let's see how about go and try your ice cream.
No, I'm fine.
You're fine, baby? Are you sure? Okay. Tapos na kami guys maglakad. Babalik na kami. Galing kami doon.
Right now we're walking back from after
Guys.
having ice cream.
Yeah.
Walking back to the car.
Somebody lost glasses? No. Come on guys, come on. Maybe that's the kids' glasses. See, that's one side to you. You have to taking care of your. Okay, I'm gonna get a flower, baby. Here, that's a nice flower out there. Yeah, here. This one ako. Can you stand in there, baby? Ah, there's a lot of poo. Oh my God, I don't like it. Oh, stood in there. Guys, watch out. There's a lot of dog's poo everywhere.
Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah, Kung Fu Panda. Are we what? Are we sluggy? Yeah. After we eat ice cream. Malamig na guys, as in. Umano na yung ano, lamig. Bumaba na yung temperature. Tapos na kami maglakad. I eat ice cream na get cold. Doon na sila. Ay ko. Nababa na. Parang nababa na yung aking bra. Kasi strapless ako ng bra. Doon na sila. Punta na kami ng car park. Maganda dito maglakad-lakad lalo pag ganyan. Pag hindi naman umuulan. Layas kayo ng ano, layas lang ang bahay. Lakad-lakad. Diba? Happy. Happy ang body. Happy ang mata. Happy heart. Happy life. Ayun na sila. Basta sa lakaran ako laging naiiwan. Video kasi ako na. Yeah, I know, Nak. Finish your ice cream, okay? Yun, si Papa. Sige, takbo ka dyan. Maganda yan sa'yo. Hindi ka naman nagtatakbo. Lagi makaupo. 5 times a day nakaupo sa opisina. Ay, grabe. So then, ano pa kasi dito, spring pa. Ay, kalbo pa talaga yung mga puno. Walang dahon na. Ayun guys, nandun na sila. Mas kumukhang uulan na. Alas 3 pa lang, tingnan nyo. Ang dilim na. Nagkulimlim na. Nag-enjoy talaga sila. What's wrong? You can't walk in a mud? What's going on to you, Pa? Why you keep going back? You can go that way. See, your kids know where is the trail. Keep going. Guys, in this tree before we have a photo in that tree. Go and stand again on that tree. You see? How about your daddy go with them? Yeah? Oh, see? See ya, look at mama. See ya. See ya, look at mama. Come on, ate, look na. Ate, look. See ya, close to daddy. In front of daddy there. Look at you guys. Okay, go na. Ang daming ano, oh. Mga log. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Tada. We go this way na, anak. Bebe, this way. It's gonna rain na in a minute. It says 70% rain. But hopefully, it rain later. When we get back home na. We still here out here in the woods. Do you wanna climb up on the woods, Ate? Careful there, okay? See ya? In the middle, baby. In the middle. Let's go, mga bata. Go, keep going. We meet you there in the end. Daddy's waiting you there in the end. Come in, hurry up.
Just a while to get.
Go to the end, baby. That before that, remember, Han? Last time when we went here, those bushes there are all flowers. It's a purple color, purple. Oh, ate. Oh, she waiting. Okay, waiting mga babies ko. Picture, baby, picture. Okay, very nice. Okay na. Dana. Waiting ko na. Jump, baby, jump. Okay, go na kay Papa. Let's go na. Let's go home. Oh, Han, where are we gonna eat dinner? What are we gonna eat dinner? Are we gonna go eat out or home? Oh, okay. No, I don't like Five Guys. Can we eat somewhere else? No, see, no more stick na because we're going home. Go na. It's loads of algae yung woods. Yung mga kasi namula yung mukha niya kasi hawak niya yung stick kanina tapos nag-scratch siya sa mukha, nagkaroon siya ng rashes. I don't know, baka galing dun sa wood. Can you climb, anak? Remember we have a photo there before, baby. Oh, can you hold this for me?
do that first. That was supposed to be nice.
See, are you alright?
Okay, now go na look at daddy na. Yeah.
Zoe, look.
Look na daddy.
Right, done.
No.
Oh, come on, we're done. We're done. It's raining. It's raining now.
Okay, now let me carry.
You've abandoned them.
Well, let's go. It's raining. It's raining. See, no more Trina. Why are you doing it? You reading? Okay, let's go na. Let's go na, ate. Ate, anak ka muna. Come on, Zoe. It's starting raining na, anak ka mo. Bala ka dyan. Bye. Mauna na kami, nak, ha? Bala ka dyan, ha? Yeah, bahala ka dyan. See how you going back to the wood? Baby, look at me. So, you like it then? Yeah, we're almost there into the park. So let me see your face. See red? Here you got a spot. You scratch it because your hand's dirty from the woods. That's okay.
Can we go at the park? Can we go somewhere?
Yeah, that is how we're going out. We're going to eat somewhere.
Can we just
Restaurant?
Can I play at the park? Yeah.
Yeah, wait for daddy. Let me check if where's daddy and ate. Yan, natapos din ang aming woodland adventure. Pauwi na kami. Tingnan nyo. So, maghapon dito, palakad-lakad. So, dito kami galing sa Rushmore Country Park. So, how is your walking, Papa? Did you enjoy your walking, ate? In the woods, yeah? Sit properly there. Kasi on and off yung araw. Which is okay lang naman. Basta hindi umuulan. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Salamat po. Memories namin po. Sinisave ko yung aming mga ganito.
In 200 yards, turn left onto Woburn Road.
Memories namin. It doesn't it's not about the place, it's all about the person you with, isn't it, na?
Take the next
When you go
left onto
somewhere,
Woburn Road.
and when you eat somewhere, it doesn't matter where the place is. The matter is the person and the family that you with.
That's fun.